So currently there are these entities called verification agents, mostly they're custodians, but they may not be, who have to verify that the data about the loan that is being offered for structuring and investment, that data is correct. So what they would do is they have all the loan contracts available to them. They will match it against the data, and then they issue a certificate. The way we are using it is we are automating this process using AI. So even before the verification agent logs in, the moment those loans are available in a set folder, the AI engine scans through, realizes that these additional loans are available, reads through all those loans, extracts the information that is required, matches it against the data that has been provided, creates a reconciliation report, which when the verification agent logs in, sees it as an exception report. The AI engines today are not 100% accurate. So the exception could be because there's genuine data discrepancy, or our AI engine could have made a mistake. The verification agent reviews if it's a mistake by the AI engine, corrects and certifies. The moment they certify, now this is a due diligence information available, and that certificate is on blockchain. The data or the files go into an IPFS folder, and an NFT is created for each loan, which means now for whatever happens through the life cycle of these loans, which is it's structured, resold in secondary market, I actually created an NFT which creates a record and a tracking mechanism for us through the life cycle. So it is, from blockchain industry parlance, the onboarding of real world asset on chain is what we are solving through this process, which is a two-step certification in a way. An AI engine has verified, then a financial institution has reviewed and certified for an NFT to be created. So it's not that a security was just tokenized and given for investment. When a person is looking at their security, they, as I said, zoom into the security to see a loan, and they are assured that this loan is verified and certified on chain as an NFT by the custodian.